Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Tony FS. Today we are going to explore a powerful forex strategy that combines both the Bollinger Band and the stochastic indicator. Yes, but before we dive in, let me ask you a question. What is your ultimate goal of forex trading? Or why do you want to trade forex? I don't know about you. As for me, I trade forex to make money. Yes, I trade forex to make money. That's right. It is all about making profits from the forex markets. It's not just any profit, but consistent profit without significant loss. Because let us face it, forex trading is all about managing risk and maximizing returns. So, what am I trying to say? In forex market, you lose, and you also what? You gain. But you want your loss to be minimum, and you want your profit to be maximum, which means you want your profit to be greater and higher than your loss. Yes, that is why in today's video I'm going to show you guys a simple strategy that you can use in the forex market. You know, when trading forex, your strategy doesn't have to be that complicated, or your screen doesn't have to be complicated. You just have to make it simple. Now, how do we make it simple? You can try to use one indicator or two indicators or no indicator at all, just for the sake of making it simple. So let's get started and let's explore this strategy that can help you achieve your trading goals. Yes, this strategy is designed to help you make consistent profits without exposing yourself to too much significant losses, but you'll be able to make consistent profits. If you've been following my channel, you'll see that we've been making consistent profits, and I'll be sharing with you guys different strategy that you can use to make money on the forex market. So if by now you're not making money from the forex market, then you are really missing out. You are really missing out. Yes. So I will be sharing with you the two indicators that we're going to be using. First is the Bollinger Band that you can see on my charts. The Bollinger Band and the stochastic indicator. The Bollinger Band and the stochastic indicator, which are used to identify high probability trade entry. The Bollinger Band we know is used to identify volatility in the market, while the stochastic is used to identify the trend in the markets. So before I'll show you the setup on how you set up your Bollinger Band and your stochastic, let's just talk about how you can utilize this strategy. Yes, so I'm on TradingView right now. You can see that I have stochastic on my window right here. Right here you see stochastic. These are stochastic indicators right here, and these are the Bollinger Band right here. These are the Bollinger Band. Yes. So now, how do we use this stochastic and Bollinger Band to identify trade in the market? It's quite simple. This is how we do it. To identify a buy in the market, you want the market or the price action to move to the upper bound of the Bollinger Band. If TradingView is difficult for you, you can move to MT5 like this. This is my MT5. Yes. As you can see, I'm on the GBP USD currently, the pounds, British pounds, and US dollar. Now, if the market is, as you can see from my screen, this is the Bollinger Band right here. So this is the upper band of the Bollinger Band right here, This is the upper band, and this is the lower band of the Bollinger Band. This is the lower band. Let me just name it. The lower band, this is the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and this is the upper band. Upper band. This is the lower and the upper band, and this right here is the stochastic indicator. Below my screen, you see the stochastic indicator right here. Yes, this is the stochastic indicator right here. Okay, so hope you guys understand what I'm trying to do now. Yes, so now how do we identify the trade in the market? It's quite simple. We want the price to come up to the Bollinger Band. We want the price to come to the Bollinger Band like this, to come to the higher part of the Bollinger Band, which is the upper band, and you also want to see that your stochastic is above the 80 line level right here. You want to make sure that your stochastic is above the 80 line level and the price action is at the top or is at the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Then you want to be looking for what? A sell. You want to be looking for a sell in the market. Likewise too, when looking for a buy, you want to see the trade or the price action at the lower part of the Bollinger Band, which is the lower level or the lower band. I also want to see the price, the stochastic at or below the 20 line level. Below the 20 line level right here. There you want to be looking for a what? For a buy trade or a buy signal. That's a buy signal. On the stochastic, we have two lines. The stochastic, we have two lines. We have the red and the green. The red, which indicates the signal, and the green is the main line. So you want the green or the blue line, I don't know what the color that I can see. So you want that line to cross, you want the line to cross the main line, which is the red line. You want the line to cross above the main line or the red line. Once the line crosses above, it indicates a what? A buy in the market. Likewise, to when selling, once the price crosses below the main signal or below the red line, this indicates a sell in the market. As you can see from my chart, you see that the market came to the upper band right here, and also the price went above the 80 line level, and you can see the green line on the stochastic crossing below the main line, which is the red line, which indicates a what? A sell in the market. Now, when placing a trade, you don't want to target 1:5 ratio. No, because the goal of making move on the forex market is to make profit. So if I capitalize on little profits per trade, so long as I don't lose, I get that 20 pips, 30 pips each trade, I think I'm good. I'm okay. The plan is not to lose, but to do what? To win, to gain. Now, taking the sell from here, right here, I can decide to close my profits. Close the trade here. I can decide to close my trade right here and get out of the market. And get out of the market with my little profits. Waiting for another trading opportunity. Waiting for another OTZ, which is optimum trading zone again. Now, let's keep going. You see that the market came down to the lower band right here. Right here, the market came down to the lower band, and on the stochastic, you see that the market came down to the lower band, came down right here on the stochastic. and the blue line crosses above the red line, which is the main line, which indicates a what? A buy. Now if you take a buy from here, take a buy from here, take a buy from here, and you probably hit your TP here. Considering that this was the last level right here, or you can aim another TP. But me, I will aim for this level right here. Quickly get my profit and get out of the market. I don't want to be greedy. Forestry is not about being greedy, but about making consistent profits. Now, I can state always. Now let's talk about stop loss. Now, let's talk about stop loss. Where do we place our stop loss when trading? Good, that's a good question. You always want, once you are buying, because the price has come down to what? The price has come down to the lower band right here. Probably you took your buy from here. So when buying, your stop loss want to be below the band right here. Below the band, that is minimum stop loss. You can imagine, look at what you are risking. It's not up to 1. It's not even up to 1. And you are aiming profit as this. You are risking just small, not even up to 2 pips, not even up to 5 pips, but you are making up to 10 pips per trade. This is a good trade, guys, traders. This is a wonderful trade. You don't have to be aiming how many pips. Look for how you can get consistent profit and disappear from the market. That's what this strategy is all about. It's not all about getting you 1 to 100 risk reward ratio. No, this one will give you 0.5 to 2 ratio. That's what you get. So when you make use of it wisely, you actually make money on the forex market. As you can see from the chart, the market came up to the upper band of the Bollinger Band right here. Came to the upper band, and if you look at the stochastic, you can see that it's above the where? The stochastic is above the 80 line level right here. It's above the 80 line level, and you can see that the green stochastic, the green line crosses below the red line, which indicate a what? A sell, which indicate a sell in the market. And if you took your trade right here at this next candle, you probably took your profits at the next level, yeah, or right here. For me, I don't usually aim the upper band. I usually aim the middle band of the Bollinger Band. There, I know that my capital is safe, my profit is secured. So guys, you too want to do the same. So that's it for today's video. Remember, forex trading is all about making consistent profits without significant loss. By using this strategy, incorporating it will give you a good risk to reward ratio, and you can also increase your chances of being successful in the forex markets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do so, if you find any value from this video, please don't forget to like this video and share this video so that others can benefit from this video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more forex trading strategies and tutorial. You can also follow us on our social media platform, which I will put a link in the description below. For now, I hope you have a wonderful trading experience and opportunity. Peace. I'm out. Bye for now.